Hey, welcome. This is a quick introduction to an Odysseyware lesson for those of you who want to preview just a little bit about what Odysseyware is like as you're working through it. So here I've got pulled up a math lesson, a 4th grade math lesson over number, sense, and place value. You can see there's some things laid out nicely. I can go back to assignments and courses. There's ways to message teachers. There's a help. There's a way to log out. But I'm working in section 1 of this lesson. And I can see there's 4 questions that I need to work through. So let's take a look at what's in this lesson here. So I like Odysseyware. It always starts right off with a lot of vocabulary.
Digits, multi-digit number, placeholder.
It's really helpful for students because you can both play, hear, and read about different vocabulary words. Vocabulary is really important as you're accessing lessons and trying to get into things. Let's follow that up with Vocabulary Arcade, a way to practice our understanding and our spelling of vocabulary. I'm going to pick the nerdy guy with glasses.
Spell the word digits. D-I-G-I-T-S.
Hit enter to knock the word in.
Spell the word placeholder. P-L-A-S-E space H-O-L-D-E-R.
Oh, I got that one wrong. But just wait.
P-L-A-C-E space H-O-L-D-E-R.
I get a nicer view and a way to check my work.
Spell the word
Alright, let's go back to the lesson here.
0.
So we got vocabulary. We got a way to practice and play around with vocabulary. A lot of times in a lesson there'll be different multimedia to help understand what's going on. So we'll read through, learn about digits. Let's watch this here.
Using just these 4 letters, we can make different words. Read, dare, dear. Using just these 3 digits, we can make different numbers. 245 and 425.
So there's some multimedia, there's some stuff to play with, but you can see that Odysseyware is mostly text-based. So students will need to read through it to understand about digits and place values. Well, there's graphics that are engaging. There is stuff to read out loud, so if your students are more auditory listeners, they can highlight it. Let's speak as, let's go Igor.
Digits have value because of their place in the number. In the number 8,635, each digit has a value based on its place in the number. This is called place value.
So if your student struggles to read, you can either assist them or teach them how to use the Speak reading system to help access words. Finally, we've read through. We have a quick review game, Farmer Frank. Ooh, what was that question? What are used to build words? I'm going to say letters. Alright, the numeral 6 and 6,371 is in the, that is in the thousands place. So I need to put in thousands. It's kind of a hangman style type game. So there's no negatives here for students. It's just a quick way to kind of review some stuff and make sure they understand things. When they're finally ready to work on questions, to be assessed, we can click on questions, and you can see we've switched around here. I'm now went from the section, which I did all my learning, now I'm working on questions. So we can toggle back and forth between questions and sections. Sometimes when you look at a question, you may want to go back into the section, do a little bit of review, and then go back and answer the question. And let's start with question number 1. What is the place value of 8 in the following number? Next question. What is the place value of 1? Match the vocabulary word. Ooh, I want to quickly review my vocabulary. Let's go back up. Okay, let's go back and finish the question. Number 1 is placeholder. 2 is multi-digit. Number has no value, it's 0. What is a number worth? It's a value. And there we go. So you see, most of the questions are going to be a multiple choice. Some fill in the blank, some multiple choice, some number matching. So it's kind of try to do a variety of assessed questions like this. Okay, so we've submitted all our answers. We've done all 4 questions. I'm going to get a prompt. Would you like to turn in this assignment? It only gives you this once you've answered all of them. So yes, I'm going to go ahead and do it. And there we go. We get some feedback on how we did. Just received a score of 100%. That's nice. I can go right on into the next one. If I got less than 100%, I could try it again to do some review and maybe improve my score. I can go back into assignments to see what else I have to work on, or I can just keep right on going. So hopefully that's a helpful review for you guys in Odysseyware and gives you some information about which curriculum you want to choose.